Welcome to the Motorola Cellular Video Guide. Your Motorola phone puts a new level of sophistication.
I said, hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right.
This is the Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G. This is the newest flipping smartphone that you can get. The screen bends in half. How does that work? I don't know. Some magic stuff going on here. But anyways, I've been using this for 4 days now and I've been loving it. Let's just get straight into this phone. Let's talk about first thing first, the cover screen. You swipe to the left, you get your notifications. You swipe right, you get your just your widgets and stuff. But the clip that you saw of me playing Clash of Clans on the front display, that ain't fake. That was real. The only way you can do that, it's not through Samsung. Don't expect to buy this phone and be able to do that. No. There's an app out there called the Samsung Launcher, which allows you to open up basically any app on your main display. Like I can play Minecraft on my main display. But maybe the little tiny screen isn't for you. You want something bigger. That's when you flip it open and get the huge 6.7-inch display. This thing is so tall that it feels almost awkward at first. It looks like you're holding a fridge. Also, you like my wallpaper? It's a little cutting line because it folds right there. Anyways, gaming on this phone, as you can see in Clash of Clans, Minecraft, it's huge. It's a huge display to game on. Imagine a normal monitor and you swap to an ultra-wide monitor. That's what it feels like, an ultra-wide monitor in your hands. Having a huge display like this does have disadvantages and advantages. Main disadvantages, if you're trying to like reach something on the top of the phone, you gotta slide the phone down a bit and it's like, oh, you know what I'm saying? You gotta have that. But the good thing is, you can have multi-window setup. So, right now, I have YouTube on the top and Google Chrome on the bottom. And it's a split screen view. Fun fact, in the gallery, when you're looking at pictures here, let me use a SpongeBob GIF as an example. When you fold the phone, it goes in a flex mode. And then the bottom turns into a touchpad and you can zoom in and move around without blocking what you're seeing. Normally you get your hands all over it and you can't really see much. Nah, flex mode, zoom in, boom, just like that. People saying you can't open this phone one-handed. Yes you can, but it's sketchy. To open this phone with one hand, you gotta get your finger under it and you gotta wank it open full speed. It won't break, it will open. Alright, you gotta flip it. You gotta be a flipologist, you know, flip. You can open it with two hands, you know, there's nothing wrong with opening it with two hands or one hand. But just one hand, you might accidentally throw your phone across the room. The hinge won't really give out, you know, it lasts for over 200,000 volts. A little fun thing that you can do on this phone is you can call someone.
Hello?
Hi.
Why are you calling me?
I just want to test something out.
Oh, okay.
Can you tell me your favorite type of candy?
I don't know, Skittles are good.
They're really good too. Oh, what the
So, you can hang up on people by just closing the phone.
For like 30 seconds, just
satisfaction that you get from just closing your phone after talking to someone. If you get mad at them, boom! 3 million? Boom! Done. Sign a contract. For some of y'all wondering, this display does have a crease. You do feel it when you run your fingers along it. Like, you get used to it so quick. And the camera is a screen punch out. So, it's cool. And you can also use the rear camera to take photos by just double tapping the button and just photo mode. Check it out. Oh. Check it out. That's you guys right there. Anyways, that's gonna wrap up my review of the Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G. This phone will last me a long time. And you know what? It's gonna be a good time. Let's talk about the
Oh my god, get off me! Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. My cat scratched me in the balls. I'm so sorry. I'm done now. Oh my god. I like grabbed him and he was laying on his back and then he slipped and he caught into my nuts. Dude, I swear to. Oh my god.
Back to the video.